What is good, everyone? Market's about to open here in less than a minute. So we're going to see what today has in store for us. Definitely going to try to just be doing one trade a day for right now. So I'm going to be very, very cautious with my entries. Yeah, I'm not too sure what the market's going to do today, to be honest. We are in that 144 retracement area. So let's see if we can get our model. Yep. Oh, we just need this down close candle to happen, and we get our model there. So I need price to kind of retrace back into up here. If I'm gonna take anything, gotta wait for price to come back up here. Book the third. And then we want price to reach this level. Okay, and we're also kind of approaching a different level down here too. Just extending this box out. Gotta make sure this is on all charts right there, that line. And now we wait. Yeah, I probably could have just entered short like right away, honestly. No, I'm just gonna do manually 2 right there. We're kind of in a retracement area on the 30s, or on the 233. So this could also be an interesting area for potential longs. Yeah, we'll still, if we are able to touch this yellow zone I have right here, we'll still be like a part of the retracement area on the higher time frame. So it could be decent. I would like to see what kind of happens in this box. If we are able to touch this blue line and show momentum to the downside, I will enter short. But if we break like one tick above this box, then I'm not entering anything. I'm just gonna cancel my trade idea. Okay, we're kind of nearing that yellow box. I need us to touch this blue level at 0605, which it seems like we do touch. Let's see if we are able to hold above this yellow box. If we are not, then my trade idea is gone. Okay, we're not, so trade idea is gone. Done with. Yeah. So I'm gonna bring this back there. And then I'm gonna remove this blue line. Now we just wait. Wow, I'm very tempted to actually enter because it seems like we are able to hold above that yellow box.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Yeah, my stop's gonna be below this low. I might try to exit out, like, for a little bit of loss here. Yeah, I'm gonna close.
Order filled.
I got tempted. Because I saw that we were able to we like just broke below this yellow box, but we weren't able to hold it, so I shouldn't have entered there. I definitely should not have, but it is what it is. Oh, look at that, price is starting to go up now. I still would have gotten just stopped out at this bottom, which I kind of did. Wow, and price is just going up now. Okay. Maybe I just entered long a little too soon. But now we are in that retracement area for a potential move to the downside. So let's see if we're able to get our model play here. I need this candle to be a down close. Okay, we break these highs, so now just gotta wait. We're kind of coming back up to this other level that I had drawn. Just gotta see if price respects that level. Unless we get our model play here. As long as we don't break this high, we'll have our model. Okay, we broke that high, pushing up towards this yellow box that I have drawn out. So let's see what kind of happens in that area. Yeah, I would like price to kind of touch this blue line I have drawn in the middle of the yellow box before I take an entry. Okay, we touched it. Let's see if we're able to respect it without breaking this yellow box, the high of the yellow box. Okay, we're kind of going down so far. If we're able to close below this low right here, I will enter short.
Order
I'm
submitted.
in. Stop just above this high.
Order submitted.
Okay, I'm in. I think 41 would be a good stop or a good area to secure. Yeah, it's like right about from the 1 to 1. 1 to 1 is at 35.5, so I think it should be fine. It should hit the target. Alright, I might have to go break even here. Yeah, I just want break even. I don't really want to see it go above here. I don't want to see it make a new high, to be honest.
Target filled.
All right, nice. Target filled. We were able to recover a good portion of the loss from the first trade, but still down just a little bit. But yeah, you see, this is just my model right here. I just gotta be patient, and it worked out perfectly. If I waited, then I would have been done for today. Yeah, this was perfect. $144 candle also closed pretty bearish, and the 89 didn't really notice that, but yeah, it's a good trade. I'm not upset about that one. So I'm just gonna look for another trade opportunity. We actually do get one on the 233 with the 55R. But obviously we just need price to kind of retrace back into this area. Excuse me. Let's put this to 11.5 and to actually 7:30. Let's put it to 7:43. 7:45. Put it to 7:41. That's like when we kind of touched that area. Okay, and then let's get rid of this. So the area that I'm looking on the 55 is, oh, let me actually bring that back. Yeah, so the area I'm looking on the 55 is for us to kind of come back into this area. I need price to come right up to here, 50.25. Let's see if we're able to get that touch at this level. We're kind of also bouncing from 233 from down here, but I don't see anything that, I don't see the one confluence that goes with my model, excuse me. So I need something to happen over here before I even look for my model. Let's look at the 34. See what's happening here, because we are in that retracement area to the upside. Okay, we did just touch this. So let's see if we're able to respect this area. And you can see we do get our model on the 34, but the thing that I need to occur over here did not occur, so I will not be taking this potential entry. Okay, there's like some decent sell order. I need to put my trade detector on. Put on 30. Okay. Yeah, so there's like some stuff kind of happening in this area, as you can see by the circles, the bubbles. So I would say in order for me to still look for a trade to the downside here, we cannot break above, not here, but above this high. So I'm actually going to move this up to here. As long as we don't break here above, then we should be fine. But the thing is, there's also, oh no, I was saying that there was a potential move to the upside. Like, we have our model play, but the thing that I need to happen beforehand has not occurred, so we're not going to be looking for longs. Okay, so we did break above here, so I'm not going to be entering at all. I'm going to put this as the 55. Okay, now we just kind of wait a bit. I'll give it like an hour or so. If I don't see my model occur again, then we'll just take a small L for the day. Yeah, definitely shouldn't have taken that that first entry. Or maybe I could have just just try to hold on a little bit longer here. Because I did exit at like 40 area, and it did go down to 12, so that's, almost another 30 points. But it's all right. I'd rather secure some profits than risk being taken out at break even. Yeah, so from here, we do have a decent amount of room to kind of go up, to be honest. just waiting for some sort of retracement. We also did have data being released at 7:45, so like here, as well at 8, I believe, so in 10 minutes. So I gotta be mindful. And yeah, you can see that there's a whole bunch of something going on here. But we've been able to kind of hold above it, so it does seem like we are gonna be pushing up a little bit more. So like, I don't think, you could probably enter here, stop just below this low. Yeah, I think I've also noticed that like I've been a little bit hesitant on entering, which has delayed my entries, which is, I would say, no bueno. I've just been a little hesitant when I shouldn't have been. Yeah, you see, I told you we were probably gonna keep moving up a little bit. Probably would have secured about the 10 points if I did enter here. I just liked it because we had all this buying, selling right here occurring, and then price goes up, retraces back to this zone, and then is able to make new highs once it broke, had to confirm close above this high. Whoa. Some big buying. Nothing too interesting happening right now. Ugh. Yeah, we're just kind of just going up and up. I think I might not even take a trade before data comes out, because it's coming out in 5 minutes, and it's ISM services PMI, so it's a 3-star or red flag or whatever. So it does seem a little important. Yeah, I'll be right back. That has been released in less than a minute here. 10 seconds. Let's see if it's actually gonna do anything. 15-minute candle looks very bullish though. Very strong. Oh, whoa. I guess it hasn't moved as much as I thought it could have. We're in the retracement area though. What's this low? This low, 65.25. This low, that's 65. Okay. If we get a close above here, all right. Yeah, we have our model. I would need price to come back down to where all this red circles are. Okay, we just do touch that area. Let's see if we're able to close above this high. Okay, now actually we don't need to close above this high. We just need to close above here. But once we break this low, then the trade is invalid. Okay, we broke below the low, so the trade is invalid. We can also see that we do get a model play here, but this is all when the data was being released. So it's a little suspect. We're still in the retracement area, so I can still look for a potential long. But we've been kind of just going up for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up close candles on the 144. So it is a little suspicious to kind of enter long. Still in the retracement area, so as long as we get that model, then I'll still look for entries to the upside. But it seems like market kind of wants to go down. Yep. So now we get rid of this. I could see us going up to like 770, which is right now we're right around here. That's 670 levels. I could see us going to this orange line, which is yesterday's point of control. But you can see here, we do have some low volume nodes here, and we kind of have some bounces, and then there's kind of like a break and retest area. So we could just reject as well. But the reason why I say like, oh, I wouldn't mind seeing that 770 level is just because look at that 15-minute candle. It's very bullish, this candle right here. But if we look at the opening price of the current 50-minute candle, it is about almost 20 points from where the prior 50-minute candle closed. So I don't know how I feel about that. Okay, now we're in that retracement area, but this retracement area is to the downside. It's kind of based off of the data, so I don't know how trustworthy it is. Also, the data was not as volatile as it definitely could have been. But considering how strong that 15-minute candle looks, I wouldn't be opposed to going long. Pretty strong bullish 144 candle. Let's see if we can actually pull back to the retracement zone. Okay, we are able to pull back to the retracement zone. I would prefer us to actually have like go tick below this yellow level, which we do, which is good. Okay, so now let's see if we can get a model play here. Oh, it seems like it was more of a fake out. This blue up close candle. We're in the retracement area on the 233, but again, I need something to kind of happen before we reach that retracement area. That did not happen, so I'm not even going to bother looking at it. And what I kind of need to happen is just like some sort of like order block to be formed, and then we disrespect that order block, because for me it's kind of like a liquidity sweep, I guess. I don't really know, but it's just like it's like a fake out. That's what I kind of look for. I look for a fake out to one side, and then I look for the real continuation after that fake out has been terminated. So the thing that I need to happen is pretty much this. We have an order block formed right here. We disrespect the low of this order block. We reach into the retracement area. This is on the 34R. not the 55. So I may give it a shot here. What's this low? 64.25. This low, 64.25 as well. That's fine. Do have some buying there. Let's see if we're able to close above this. Nope, just kidding. I was gonna say, let's see if we can close above this high right here. But then we just wick and just make a new low. Okay, another potential entry here, or not entry, but model play. If we're able to close above here. Nope. Okay, are we able to close above this high? Nope. See if this low gets broken at all. It's either this low gets broken or we're able to close above this high. I think we might just push down, to be honest. Yeah. I would like to see price kind of retrace into this 144 zone. Maybe even, actually, I don't know. If I do look for entry, I would like for us to break above this high. And then look for another continued move to the downside. But considering that 15-minute candle is fairly strong, I am being aware that we are still in that retracement area to the upside on the 233. So pretty much if we get a close above here, then we do have potential room for upside. Okay, never mind. If we do get a close below here, then we do have our model play, but it's missing a key component. So I will not enter. Oh, actually looks like we might close above here real quick. Oh, just kidding. If we get a close below here, we have our model play, but just missing one component. What's this candle low? 52.25. This candle low, 52.25. Hasn't closed below here yet. If this is down close candle, then we're gonna go short. Yep, we're gonna go to the downside, I believe. But I'm not entering, even though it is my model play, and I do think we have room to the downside. But that 15-minute candle was fairly strong. But if we look at that 144 candle, it's fairly bearish. So I do like it if we do continue to the downside. I would say as long as we don't break this high, we could continue to the downside. If we get a close below here, I might take an entry. That we do. Let's push back in.
Order submitted.
Nice. Stop just above the high here. Let's see. I might just have to manually close out. I don't like the strength that's happening. Yeah, we're able to close above there. I don't like this.
Order filled.
I should have canceled my order there, or try to get out break even, but instead I just closed here for a 10-point loss. This was my model, but it was missing a component, so I wasn't feeling too confident about it anymore. Because also we did close above this high right here. Once we closed above here, I was like, okay, yeah, I should try to exit. We do keep going down, possibly. Do I re-enter? Yeah, I think I might take an entry.
Order submitted.
As long as we can respect this. Stop just above this high. We might get stopped out here.
Stop filled.
Yeah, we got stopped out. Okay. I hope it doesn't just start dropping here, because we just got stopped out to the tick. I'm gonna ignore this this area. If we do break above this high, then I will look for other opportunities for the short. Definitely should have tried to get out at break even here, but the reason why I liked going short here was just because this orange candle on the 144, and we had half the setup, and I just felt kind of good about it, but half of the setup is not good enough. Okay, we do break above this high. So now we can definitely look to see if we get our model. We need like an up close here. Boop, we do not get that. So we just get a straight close to the downside. So we are probably going to be going a little lower. I am a little tempted to go short though. If we can get that 144 candle to close to the downside, I think I will go short for a nice quick scalp.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order target filled.
All right, nice. $233 candle did close to the downside, fairly bullish, bearish as well. We do get a nice bearish candle here. Yeah, so you see, I had the right idea here, but market just didn't want to listen to me, I guess. Yeah, so again, the trades that I took here and here, they were kind of like based off, I guess, half my model. Didn't really have the other confluence that I tend to look for, but the reason why I kind of still entered was just because this 144 candle, it looks very nice and bearish, so I felt kind of confident about taking an entry there. But definitely should have waited a little. That's all right. Okay, now we're just kind of pumping up. We're going to retracement area to the downside. Let's see if we get a model play here. I don't think so. I'm thinking it might just be another fake out to the downside just because of how strong that 15-minute candle is to the upside. So just got to be patient and wait and see what happens. Honestly, I might go for a long here. If we come back in here and respect it. Yeah, we do kind of respect it.
Order submitted.
Stops just below the 144 candle. Not a big fan of this blue bubble there. Okay, we are kind of bouncing nicely from that 50% area. If we can get a close above here, that'd be perfect. Okay, yeah, I feel fine. Break even.
Stop filled.
Right, we got stopped out at break even, that's fine. Definitely, the reason I felt confident about it is because we just had negative delta on this candle, and then we had a very strong candle there, 144. So I might take another entry here. This high, 89.75. This high is at 89.5, yeah. Yeah, I probably definitely should have just held on to it, because I would have gotten my target filled here. Wow, and like it's so unfortunate too, because we can see that I literally just get stopped out. Oops. I literally just get stopped out, like at this low. It's unfortunate. So now we just gotta wait. We are kind of coming back down. All right, nice. We're kind of in this retracement area on the 144 again, but I don't see what I need over here. So I probably will not take the trade. I might go for a quick scalp to the downside though. We do get the model play here though, from the 144 to the upside. I was thinking about potentially taking a quick scalp in this area because I don't think this is gonna hold. Yeah, you see, I could have definitely gone for that quick scalp. It's all right. I'm curious to see what this 144 candle is going to do. Are we going to be an up close or down close? Because yes, we are kind of bouncing off from this retracement area, but I do not see a model play here at all. And then we are just approaching this 50% level. If I were to go for a quick snipe to the downside, I'd enter it now. My stop would just be right here at 702. Okay, we are in the retracement area for a potential move to the downside. So let's see if we are able to get a move to the downside. Do get the 144 candle to close up. But we're still in the 144 candle to the downside. But again, just from that 15-minute candle, the first 15-minute candle open, I'm still kind of, I would say, a little bullish. Yeah. Let's see if we can get our model here to the downside. Yeah, because that first 15-minute candle looks good, but then we are kind of like wicking above the highs right here. It's going to be a good area for a quick scalp to the upside. Stop would probably just be below this low right here. If I entered at 95, stop would be moved to break even right now. Get stopped out. But let's see if we're able to close below this low. We also did go into the retracement area for potential longs, but what I need to happen hasn't happened. So if we're gonna go to shorts, I do need to close below here, but it's got to be continuous down close candles. It looks like we also may have the model play to the upside there. I think we are probably going to push it to the upside. If we close above here, I might go for a long. Okay, let's see if we close below here then. All right, we might be short in shorts actually. Yeah. See if we can get a price to be up here. Up to 707.75. That's where I need price to go. I could enter short right now, but it's not part of my new and improved model. Probably would have got stopped out of break even right there anyways. Need price to come back up here. Volume profile of this order block. Yep. Need price to come up to 707.75. Before I take any entry to the downside, that is. I just hope price doesn't run away without us. We gotta make sure that the 144 to the upside doesn't present a model. If we break this low, then we might have a model on our hands to the upside. It would break this low while respecting the low at 674.75. All right, we're close. All right, we just touched it. Let's see if we respect it. To the downside, that is. As long as we don't break the box high, we're still potential shorts. It looks like the strength is there though, so we might push past above the high. But we just gotta wait and see what happens. We do get a down close candle, which is good, but I just don't know if it's enough to really keep the momentum to the downside. Okay, yeah, we push up, so no trade entry for me there. I think I will enter long though, if price is able to kind of come back into this area, just because I like how the 89 candles are looking. I was tempted to enter, but I did not. Yeah, so since we broke above this high, the long opportunity is, or the short opportunity is invalid. Now we are retracing back into this zone area though, on the 144, the retracement. And if we get our model play here to the upside, then we should be good. Okay, we do get a down close. Let's see if we're able to respect this low. There's a fairly big low volume node at this area that I should be aware of. If we're able to get this candle to be up close, then we'll have our model to the upside. Not a completed model though. We just need maybe one more thing. Okay, we do get that. So let's see. Okay, nice. I would say if this is, I think this is not a bad area to enter, honestly. Yeah, I'm gonna go
Order
for a
submitted.
long. Stop just below here. I think I probably entered a little prematurely. Yeah. I might manually close out for a quick loss. I don't like this. Price can kind of come back up here. Or actually, we're gonna hold.
Order filled.
Nope, order filled. Took that L. We had, so the thing with this one, we had our model, but not perfectly, so I did enter prematurely. If we close above here, I might go for another one, because we did just close below here. Or we didn't even close below that low. So this is kind of like my model. If we're able to close here. Yeah.
Order submitted.
Oops. Go for that 50. My stop's gonna be just below this low. I might even buy a couple more, honestly. Nice. I do like that we came into here and we had a nice up close candle. If we were able to close above here as well, it'll be even better. Yeah, it's a good push.
Order submitted.
Oops, didn't mean to do that. Okay. I think it should hit. Or do I manually close out? That's a question. I do like how we did it. We're able to close above here, and we did make new highs. And the 144 candle closed fairly bullish. Okay, let's see if we're able to respect this. Probably should just secure it at 10 points, honestly. Yeah, I might get stopped out here. Yeah, we're gonna get stopped out here. I definitely should have taken profit up here. Okay, so today was another good lesson. So I would say, in terms of my model playing out perfectly today, well, it only happened once, and it was a
Stop
win.
filled.
Yeah, we got stopped out. Okay, so another red day for us today. Let's see. Right here, kind of near close to market open. This is the only play that actually ended up playing out well. And yeah, it played out perfect. We had that. We were able to come back into this area. We respected it. And we were able to close down below here. So I took the entry and we were able to secure our profit. This is literally just what I'm looking for. And we only got that once. I did take an entry here for long because based off this zone over here, but we did break below that low, so I should not have entered anymore. And then I took some entries here, which turned out not to be so good. Yeah, and then we had another model play here to the downside. But obviously, you can see it got kind of rejected. So then I was like, okay, so I'm just going to wait. And we ended up getting another model play right here. And we did break below this low. But then we did close above here. So then I kind of felt good about it. Because we didn't get a close below this low. We kind of just wicked below. And then we got a nice strong breakout to the upside here. So I did enter. Definitely should just waited for price to touch this target or this high to enter long, because I would have been able to get in like 5 points sooner. But yeah, so in terms of our model actually playing out well, it just happened once. And let me actually see. Yeah. So I definitely should just only took this play right here and we would have been done for the day about like an hour or so ago. Yeah, that's something I really need to work on. I gotta write a sticky note down or something to just write down like, oh, you're only gonna be doing your model, nothing else. But like yesterday, for example, as well, at market open, our model occurred here. Let me actually. Where was it? Here. To the downside. Yeah, we have like our first order block here, then it gets disrespected. We form this bigger area here. We have a tiny high, tiny low. And then price is able to touch the point of control of the order block. Then we got to move to the downside, and you can see I did enter there. So yeah, I just need to follow my model, and we will be green. I think it's just a little harder, just seeing the market go and without you. So you definitely get a little bit case of the FOMOs. And yeah, also right here happened again, I believe. But price never retraced back into this zone. Yeah, not even to today. It's like way up here, way high. So let's see. Yeah, we had that clean order block break to the downside. We disrespect the order block high. We get new second order block. We get that tiny high, tiny low. We trace back into this to this zone here. Let's put it to yellow. Yeah, so we retrace back into there, and then I probably could have just entered as soon as we closed outside of there, but I was waiting for an entry inside, once like we kind of touch this green zone. All right. I mean, yeah, my model works fairly well, I would say. But I just need to be better at like actually following my model rules. Because once I follow my model rules, then it'll just be like a one and done trade. It's either gonna be a win or a loss. But yeah, so I'm not gonna be trading anymore today. That's it for me today. Definitely lesson learned for sure. So we'll just kind of come back tomorrow and we will follow our model this time. So with that being said, follow your model, because good things happen when you follow your model, and when you don't follow your model, bad things happen, as you can clearly see. So yeah, with that being said, peace.